Kaya niya si PRD sa aeroplano because he is a police officer. He knows the due process. Kung nag-iisip talaga yon, kung may sakto yung utak niya, bagsak sa neuro yan. Sigurado ako. Along the way, may bakukang na nisod sa utok, ana ba? Nakakaon siguro panos nga pansit. Mao na. Pero nobody in the right mind would do that. That's totally illegal, and you know the consequences of these actions are heavy. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang OFWs. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Buang mo eh. Pero salamat kayo ha. It really means a lot sa family. And I'm sure, lalong-lalo na kay PRRD to know na you are always supporting him. So thank you. Mabuhay kayong lahat and God bless you all.